Hey everyone, welcome welcome back to this my Salesforce Health Club learning tutorial. So in this video we are talking about what are the permission set groups and what is the permission set, how to assign to the specific user, only assign the permission set which is needed to that user like standard or admins. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, okay, so I hope you enabled all the things which I talked in our earlier sessions. So let me just open permission sets groups. Okay, so first of all we need to know about what is the permission set groups. Okay, if you are working in health cloud we need to know about why are the permissions important, what is the permission set groups and all of this. So first of all, we are talking about why are the permission sets important. So data privacy in the healthcare is super important because only because we should give the access only the person who needs. Okay, for example, only the right people like doctor or nurses should see the patient information. Okay, and if someone who is not allowed like a security building person could see a patient information, which is not correct and maybe a big problem. Okay, so that's why Salesforce uses the permission sets and permission set groups to keep the patient data safe by giving the access only to the right user. Okay, and the next thing is what are the permission sets and groups. Okay, so a permission set is a collection of setting that let the Salesforce user do the certain task or certain activities with the data. Okay, and the permission set group combines several permission set so that you can give the people all the access they need with one assignments. Okay, you assign the permission set group to users profile like system administrator, standard user, or any other health cloud roles. Okay, like healthcare coordinator, cardiologist, or etc. So only those users get the right access. Okay, and different roles in the health clouds like admin or read only users need different sets of permissions. Okay, so let's talk about how do you assign the permission sets in health cloud. Okay, admin, so the system administrator usually get more permission so that they can set up or manage more things. Okay, and standard users might only be able to read or edit the basic patient information. Okay, and you can create a permission set group. Okay, anyone with the name you want like health cloud, Salesforce health cloud or whatever you want, and add the health cloud foundation and other health cloud permission sets to it. Okay, and assign this permission set which you were created earlier. Okay, assign this permission set group to the user's profile or who need to work with the health cloud. So let's have a quick look into the permission sets group. So in my org I have created a permission set with the name health cloud, and I have assigned two permission sets with this group. Let's have a look. I have assigned Health Cloud Foundation and Health Cloud permission set license. Okay, or you can assign the permission set based on the user's role. Okay, give only the permission sets which is needed to the user. So in this, like Health Cloud API, okay, Health Cloud admin. If you are a system administrator or you have a other user who is a system administrator, you can give this permission set to that user. Okay, and okay, so there are the many types of the permission set for the Health Cloud. Okay, so first we saw Health Cloud admin here. Okay, Health Cloud Foundation. Okay, and API access, Health Cloud API, Health Cloud Limited, whatever you want to the give to the user based on their role. You can assign these permission set to the permission group. Okay, and next, how do you give the access of this permission set to the users? So for that we need to go into the permission sets, and you can assign the permission to the users. So first of all, we need to create the permission sets here. Like for example, I have created already in my org. So you need to create new permission sets set group by clicking here. Okay, and give the permission sets in this group. Okay, and assign this permission set group to the right profile or the users you want. And you can also, okay, and let me just open my other things. I just want to show you something different. Okay, so these are all about the permission sets and permission set groups. Okay, this is done. And now I am, okay, now I am, uh, please have a look for, go to the, let me just open. Okay, so now let's have a look on the Health Cloud apps. So let me just open my Health Cloud Lightning console. We are going to see some basic structure of the patient. Okay, so let me just open Charles Green. Okay, so this is the patient. This is the patient. Okay, and we are we can change the page layout for this. So let me just open once. Okay, so let me just open from here, Hack Cloud admin. Okay, so I have opened the Charles Green record. Okay, so this is all about the patient information in our Salesforce. Or how, I mean, how can we manage the patient's data here? Okay, so this is the dummy data in my trial org. Okay, this is the detail of this patient, like patient name, patient number. Okay, opening hour, operating hours, and address, and all this. And we can edit the page layout here. Let me just back to it. Okay, so these are the Charles Green timeline. We can add the timeline for the every patient's here. Okay, so we can see here meditation, appointments. Okay, morning blood sugar, and all of the patient tracking information we can see here. Okay, so let's go next. It might be possible if you are using a trial or a real Salesforce org. So the specific permission license you see maybe depend on whether you are using a free trial org or a real Salesforce org. Okay, in trial org you have some basic starter options to help you learn the setup. Okay, so these are the all about in this video. And let me just summarize you what I have discussed in this video. So Health cloud permission. Health cloud permission helps give the right people to the right access for the patient information and protect the privacy. And after that, we can set up the permission sets to the groups based on the user's role or the profiles, and only assign what they need. Okay, and after that we have looked into some basic structure of patient information or patient data in our health cloud admin application in Salesforce. So these are all about the Salesforce Health Cloud permission sets and person accounts information. So hope you are understand and make the concepts better. Mm, and these are all about in the today's session, and hope you are understand what I'm giving or giving the session or discussed in this video. Hope this will help. Thank you.